Is that tender at all?
Yep. Yep. That's it right there. Oh. Bro, look at this. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Look at that right there, boy. Touch my look, boy, look. You know, I was not able to touch my toes.
You're still old.
Boy,
You're still old.
you better watch out, dude. Oh, face down. Oh, this is about to be freaky.
Internet doesn't need to know about our relationship, right?
Oh, it doesn't, but it can. I feel like Deadpool and you Wolverine. She's gonna appreciate what you did to me, man. Oh my goodness.
There you go.
Listen here. The way I feel, I'm about to go dunk tonight. This one right here. Oh,
Yeah.
what the hell was that? Oh. I feel like I can moonwalk.